chain, first you need to do the setup. It's easy. You just take the bottom card and turn it face up like this, and square. And you take one card, select that card, sample this card, and then this is the move. Okay, just place, hold the deck like this, and you just pull down the bottom card like this. So here, come and just pull down like this. And from this position, after you pull down, you just throw the entire deck on your left hand like this, and you immediately steal the bottom card. So one more time. Remember, pull down, throw, and you are ready. From this position, all you do, you just snap or you just place this card on the first card and reveal like this. So here you can spin, pull down, and throw. Remember, steal, and immediately snap like this. Okay, one more time. Remember, setup, just turn face up the bottom card. Have a card selected, put it face up on top of the deck. You can spin. Remember, pull down and draw. For that, you just tap like this. Okay, so here you can spin, pull down and throw, and you immediately, because you in this position is too obvious that you hold something, so you must immediately tap and reveal. Okay, so here, pull down, throw, and just do that. After that, you can do double lift and show the front and back. And yep, if you want it, you can do a switch like this, and you can hand out this card for examination.